Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the wall switch and the circuit breaker to eliminate any shock risk. Once the fan is dead, use a non-contact tester to confirm no voltage. Remove the glass shade and bulbs carefully, setting them on a soft towel. Next, expose the light kit screws and the wiring access plate. Keep a small tray for screws and hardware so nothing gets lost. This sets you up to unmount the old kit safely and begin the swap without scrambling for parts. You now support the light kit with one hand and loosen the mounting screws so it doesn't drop. Once it's free, pull the wiring into view and disconnect matching colors, usually black to black, white to white, twist and cap each with wire nuts. Take time to inspect the fan canopy, mounting bracket, and wire insulation for corrosion or fraying. Replace any damaged parts. If the kit uses a plug connector, depress the tab and unplug. These careful checks prevent future failures and ensure the new kit fits the same mounting footprint. You connect the new light kit by matching wires, twisting tightly and securing with proper wire nuts, then tuck wiring into the canopy and fasten the mounting screws. Reinstall bulbs in the glass shade, making sure gaskets or springs seat correctly. Once everything is mechanically tight, restore power at the breaker and test the light and fan controls. If the light flickers or won't turn on, switch power off and recheck connections, bulb seating, and the breaker or fuse. A loose nut.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.